Saraswati Sisi Kunj Bhagwal board sir welcomes you. Standard 9 subject mathematics, chapter number 4, linear equation with two variable. Friends, before we starting chapter number 4, linear equation with two variable, let us recall the concept of polynomial. What is polynomial? We know that an expression of the form p of x a0 plus a1x plus a2x square up to an x raised to n. We know that a0, a1, a2 up to an, a0, a1, a2 up to an are constants. We also know that an is not equal to 0 and x square x up to n, where x raised to 1, x raised to 2, x raised to. So these are the power of unknown quantities. Unknown quantity means variable. So 1, 2, n is called power of variable. Now let us move further. What is the equation? These are called expression. Polynomial always can be written as expression. Now just move the further. What is the equation? So equation is a statement of equality of two algebraic expression which involves one or more unknown quantity is known equation. Friends, equation and expression both are different terms. In expression, you just see that p of x, then double dot a0 plus a1x plus a2x plus up to an x raised to n. Now see the word equation. So you need to substitute the equal. See here a statement of equality. So for example, we can say that x plus y equal to 3. See, x plus y equal to equal. The sign is equal. That's why this is called the equation. See, the power of x is 1, the power of is y 1, and the constant of here x and y is called constants, or we can say that unknown quantity. Another example, we can say that x square plus 2xy plus 3 equal to 0. This is also called equation. See, the sign equal is remain present. X and y are constant. X and y are variables. X and y are variables, and 2 and 3 are constant. So this is the known as equation. Now you already know that. Just remember polynomial. We know that what is the linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is nothing but the having a degree 1 is called linear polynomial. For example, we can say that p of x equal to 2x plus 3. Now same way, what is the linear equation? Now just move further. What is the linear equation? Equation, we know that the equal sign is present, one or more unknown quantity. Now linear equation is nothing but an equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0. This is the form of linear equation. In other words, we can say that an equation having the degree 1. See, the variable x have a degree only 1. So we can say that ax plus b equal to 0, where x have a power 1. So this equation is called a linear equation. Friends, linear equation and linear polynomial both are same, but here in polynomial an expression, and in linear equation we can say that an equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0. So this is the linear equation. Now if I want to solve the linear equation, how to solve the linear equation? Let us see how to solve the linear equation. Linear equation with one variable. We know that what is linear equation? An equation has a degree 1 is called linear equation. Now linear equation with one variable, that means an equation with degree 1 and also have only one variable. See, the x is variable, that is only one variable, degree is 1, so it is called linear equation with one variable. For example, we can say that x plus 1 equal to 0. So see, here there is only one variable x. Another example, we can say that 2y plus 3 equal to 6. Another example, see, here there is y, only one variable, 3 is constant, 6 is constant. See, here we cannot take a equal to 0. Why we cannot take a equal to 0? If we take a equal to 0, then only constant term is remain. That's why we cannot take a is equal to 0. Another example also, we can say that 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to 5. See, here only one variable is present, x, and another terms are constant. So this is the main standard form, ax plus b equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Now, how to find the solution of linear equation with one variable? So any value of variable satisfy the equation. For example, if I take x plus 1 equal to 2, now how to find the solution? So first, x equal to, we can write 2 minus 1, so x equal to 1. Now you know that if I substitute x equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 equal to 2 equal to RHS, left hand side, I get right hand side. So if I substitute x equal to 1, I will get the answer 2. So if that is x equal to 1, satisfy the equation. So x equal to 1 is a solution of the given linear equation. Let us see another examples. Example number 1, find solution of given following linear equations. Number 1, x plus 3 equal to 1. So how to find? First of all, we can say that x equal to 1 minus 3. So x equal to 1 minus 3, that is minus 2. So x equal to minus 2 is solution of given linear equation. Now let us check, it is the x equal, if I substitute x equal to minus 2, the given equation is satisfied or not. So what is LHS? LHS equal to x plus 3, that is minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1 equal to RHS. That means x equal to minus 2 is a solution of given linear pair of equation. Friend, for the conclusion, we can say that linear equation with one variable have a unique solution. Unique solution means x equal to minus 2 is only one solution that satisfies the given equation. There is no another value of the given equation satisfy the for given equation. Now let us see the another example. Example number 2, 2x minus 1 equal to 3. So first of all, take constant on right hand side. Friends, remember, if we take a constant on the right hand side, then the sign will be changed. That means 3 plus 1 minus 1 will be converted as a plus 1. So 2x equal to, we can say that 4. So x equal to 4 by 2. So x equal to 2. So x equal to 2 is the solution of given linear equation. See, these examples are only the linear equation with one variable. Friends, remember, linear equation with one variable have unique solution. Unique solution. Now, see, unique solution only we get when we have a linear equation with one variable. Now friends, let us see the another term, linear equation in two variables. Friends, first we show that linear equation with one variable. What is linear equation with one variable? Linear equation with one variable means that an equation having only one variable and its degree is 1. Now let us see linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables is an equation having two variables, means the two variables are present in the equation. Another condition is both to power 1, that means both variables have a degree 1 and there is no product term xy. That means there is a no product term in the equation. For example, we cannot say that x square plus xy plus y square. It is not a linear equation with two variables, called linear equation with two variables. So what is the standard form? Standard form, let us see. First of all, there is a two variable. I can put x and y. There is two variable, both to power 1. I take both to power 1 and there is no product term. That means we cannot take the product term xy. So I can say that ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is the standard form, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a square plus b square is not equal to 0. So this is the linear equation in two variables. Friends, remember, for example, I can take example 2x plus 3y plus 5 equal to 0. So this is the linear equation with two variables. See, x and y are two variables, 2, 3 and 5 constant. That means the coefficient of x is 2, the coefficient of y is 3 and phi is constant. So this is the example of linear equation in two variables. Friends, now there is one question that we know that linear equation with one variable has a unique solution. So what about the linear equation in two variables? So the solution of linear equation of two variables has infinitely many solutions. So we can say that linear equation in two variables has infinitely many solutions. It is an MCQ based question. You have to, or it can be asked in the exam by filling the blanks true false. So let us see how it is possible that linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. First, I have one example that x plus y equal to 2. See, this is the linear equation with two variables, x and y variable, 2 is constant. Let us see. Here I take a table x and y. If I take 0, then y will be 2. See, if x equal to 0, so substitute x equal to 0 in the equation, 0 plus y equal to 2. If I take x equal to 1, so I will get 1 plus y equal to 2, y equal to 2 minus 1, y equal to 1. See, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. If I get x equal to 2, so y will be 0. So if we take x equal to 0, 1, 2, if we substitute the infinite numbers of x, then we get infinite numbers of y. So there is infinitely many solutions linear equation with two variables. It is very important for you guys because you have to ask in the examination that define so that linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solutions. So this is the concept of linear equation with two variable. Linear equation with two variable. Let us again I can remind. two variable x and y all have a degree 1, constant is present, the standard form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now let us move further and let us take some examples. Let us see the examples. Write each of the following equations in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0 and indicate the values of a, b and c in each case. First example is 2x plus 3y equal to 4.37. Friends, see x, ax plus by plus c. C means the constant. Here the constant will always on left hand side. So the standard form of given equation is 2x plus 3y minus 4.37 equal to 0, or we can say that 2x plus 3y plus minus 4.37 equal to 0. Now compare equation 1 to standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. You have to compare this equation to standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we get a equal to 2, b equal to 3 and c equal to minus 4.37. So this is the values of a, b and c. Let us see the another example. X minus 4 equal to root 3y. Remember that in the standard form, right hand side 0 will be present, always 0 will be present. So we can write this equation standard form x minus 4 minus root 3y equal to 0. Now let us see here, first term is x, second term is y and another last term is constant. So first term is x, second term is root 3y and last term is minus 4 equal to 0. We can also write that x plus minus root 3y plus minus 4 equal to 0. Now compare this equation to the standard form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a equal to, here coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of y equal to minus root 3 and on constant term c equal to minus 4. So this is the a, b and c. Let us see the third example. Here it is given that 3x equal to y. So we can write 3x minus y plus 0 equal to 0. Because there is no constant term, so if the constant term is absent, we can take a 0. So we can say that 3x plus minus y plus 0 equal to 0, where a equal to 3, b equal to minus 1 because the coefficient of y is minus 1 and c equal to 0. So this type of example is asked in the question. These examples are the 1 marks question. Now let us see the another type of example. Before we starting the another example, let us see the important note of linear equation with two variables. Each linear equation in one variable can be expressed in the form of linear equation in two variables. Remember friends, each linear equation in one variable can be expressed in the form of linear equation in the two variables. Let us see how to get the form of linear equation in two variable when linear equation in one variable is given. So the example is write each of the following as an equation in two variables. That means you have to given the linear equation with one variable. For example, x plus 5 equal to 0. So see, this is the linear equation with one variable. So this can be written as 1x plus 0y plus 5 equal to 0. See, there are two variables x and y, so this is called the linear equation with two variables. Or you can also write that 1x plus 0y equal to minus 5. Let us take the another example. Another example is y minus 3 equal to 5. First of all, you have to take y minus 3 equal to 5. So, first of all, we can say that y minus 3 minus 5 equal to 0. So, y minus 8 equal to 0. Now, here y variable is present, but x variable is not given. So, we can write 0x plus 1y minus 8 equal to 0. So this is the standard form of linear equation with two variables, or you can also write 0x plus 1y equal to 8. Now let us see a third example. 3x minus 9 equal to 5. So first of all, we can write 3x minus 9 minus 5 equal to 0. If 5 take to right hand side, the sign will be changed. So we get 3x minus 14 equal to 0. Here x variable is present but y is not present. So we can write 3x plus y is not present, that means 0y minus 14 equal to 0. So this is the way to convert the linear equation in one variable to the linear equation in two variables. So now, for the conclusion, today we discussed linear equation with one variable. What is linear equation with one variable? An equation having only one variable and a variable has a degree 1. Another is linear equation with two variables. An equation having two variables, both the variables have degree 1. Term xy is not present. So in conclusion we can say that linear equation with one variable. So what is the standard form? Standard form is ax plus b equal to 0. And what is the solution? Solution equal to x equal to minus b by a. That means unique solution. That means unique solution. Equation with two variables. What is the standard form? Standard form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Solution, there is infinitely many solutions. So this is the whole introduction of linear equation with two variables. In the next lecture, we just move the further and see how to get the solution of linear equation with two variables. What are the method of the get solution of linear equation with two variables. So here this lecture is over. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.